Hi friends, and welcome back to Trinity Kids TV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so nice of you to join us today. Now friends, let's get started by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing the good morning song together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. And a good morning to you. Yes. So let's find out what day it is today. Yesterday was Thursday. What is the day that comes after Thursday, friends? The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what is it? Friday. Yes, it's Friday, friends. Very good. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long. All day long. It's Friday, friends, and we are in the month of March, of course. Are you excited for Friday? Yes, it's the very last day of the school week. Yes. Now let's sing the months of the year and say the 7 days song. Let's say it together. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Wonderful. Now, let's sing the 7 days song. Ready, friends? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's find out about the weather by singing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather are we having today. Well, where I am right now, friends, it's a windy day today. What kind of weather are you having where you are, friends? Oh, well, that's some interesting weather. Yes, we do have lots of different types of weather around our country, right? Now, let's find out about the shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is a diamond. Yes, and that's a beautiful shape, right? Yes. Now, let's talk about our color of the day for today. Now, our color of the day is the color gray. Gray is a color that you need to mix together. Do you know what colors make up the color gray? Well, you get gray when you mix white and black together, and you get gray. Yes, it sort of looks like a cloudy day, a day that might rain. Now let's find out about the number of the day for today. Our number of the day today is the number 5, like the 5 fingers you have on one hand. Let's count our fingers and count to the number 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is our number of the day. Wonderful, friends. Yes, and now that we know our number of the day, let's find out about our letter of the day today. Let's take a look at the letter of the day for today, friends. Our letter of the day is the letter B. B for boy. B for balloon. And B for bee. B. Yes, we have a beautiful letter of the day. Now we know our letter of the day. Take a look at the area of the day for today. Our area of the day is Botswana. Botswana is located in South Africa and it has many important features like a desert as well as lush green lands where animals like elephants, cheetahs, and other animals live. Take a look at Botswana. Yes, isn't our area of the day wonderful? It is, isn't it? Now, let's find out about our lesson for today. Are you excited about today's lesson? Well, take a look at our lesson for today. For today's activity, friends, we are going to make a bunny out of paper. Now you can draw your bunny and decorate it, or you can make your bunny by folding your paper into a fan and sticking it together like this. Then you're going to add your ears and your eyes and you're all done. Alright friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had lots of fun. And of course, I'll see you next week. Thank you for joining me. Bye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.